In this video, we'll be speaking about the different access modifiers on methods. They are public, protected, private, and package. Actually, it should be package and private in the order of visibility. So this one will have the highest visibility, and then protected, then package, then private. So let's have a look at what each of these mean. Public methods are accessed in classes in the same package and other packages. They can also be inherited by child classes in a different package. I'll just put that in. Yeah. So let's see what this means. In order to demonstrate this, we've got a parent class, and I've got some comments. We need to fill these in. And this is the child class, which we also will be filling in. So let's look at the parent class. Let's create a public method. So public void so that's what we're going to call it. Let's have a system out print line. So the method is speaking public access from parent. Okay, so this is the method. What we'll do is we want to test it. Let's create an object of the parent class. And what we'll do is let's try to access the public method of the parent's class. So as soon as we say parent dot, we get access to the public method in the parent class, which is method public. Let's run the program. And we have the message showing up. I have public access, and this is being called from the parent. Let's now see what it means by that they can be inherited by child classes in the same or different package. Let's start with the same. So let's go here, and to override, I'm just going to copy this whole method, and I'm going to use the override annotation and paste it. So this is coming from the child. That's the only difference that we'll be making. And let's create an object of the child class, a child. And then let's also make a call to the public method in the child class, which we have. Let's run it. So we have both calls, one coming from the parent, one coming from the child. And so this is what we mean by they can be accessed in classes in the same package. They can be inherited by child classes in the same package. We haven't shown the other packages. So let's create another package. Let's call this package the same name as the first one. So it's video 84, but I'll call it B. So for part B, that should have been a capitalized one. So I'm going to function 2, F2. And what is it? Capital B. Okay, let's rename it. Then what we're going to do is I'm going to copy this whole class and paste it in here, but I will name it underscore B, so we know that this is coming from the other package. And we will have an error because it doesn't identify the parent and the child. So let's import both of these classes. So we can look at the import. So that both of these classes have been imported. And so let's see what happens if we run this from here. So we can see that the program works perfectly, beautifully fine. So this is how we demonstrate that public methods are accessed in classes in the same package and other packages. They can be inherited by child classes in the same package. We haven't demonstrated this yet. So what we'll do is let's make a copy of this class, of the child class, and put it in here. I might call it child B so that we can differentiate this one from the other one. And what are we getting here? So we actually need to import the parent class. So we've done that. And yeah, so we should be able to call this one from here. So when we go to this one, I am going to comment out this import statement so that this is called from child B. Or actually, let's keep that one. Let's create another object. Let's create an object of child B class. Child B, we'll call this underscore B. Okay, so now we can call child underscore B dot, and we can see that we have that method being public. So I just need to also change the message in here coming from child underscore B, so we know that when we run this program, we know where it's coming from. So we know that we now can see how we can have the public methods being inherited, can be inherited by the child classes in the same and different package, and also how they can be accessed in the same and the other packages. So I hope this was a good demonstration of the public methods. Let's now move on to the protected methods.